So today was just a chill day. Got back on the scale today, down 1 more pound. So today's the first day I've had off in 21 days. So I woke up this morning, made some coffee, did some physical therapy for my knee. Did I tell y'all I fell? I'm too grown and too big to be falling. Child, but I fell. Hurt my whole knee. And the crazy thing is, when I was 17 years old, I slipped under a car on the same knee. So when I fell, it was like, no. But nevertheless, if you've ever fell on your knee, you know how painful it is, right? So I've taken 3 days off. So this is the first time I've been off in 21 days. And I took 3 days off, and mainly for my knee. But nevertheless, I'm still drinking my Unicity, and I'm finding out so much more health benefits as I'm doing the research. It's almost like a liquid Ozempic or Wegovy or any of these really, really expensive, and I mean expensive, injections that people are taking for weight loss. And I'm going to be truthful, and I'm going to tell you my truth. I actually did it myself. I didn't do Ozempic. I did semaglutide, I think was the one. It was like that in Wegovy. And I lost 35 pounds. I got so skinty. Lord, I was so small. I think I got down to about 160, maybe 159. I got down to 159, which was way too small for me. You know, I'm a little tall. I'm 5'7", 5'7", something like that. Whatever the case is, I did do it, and I did it for maybe about 12 months, and it just got too expensive. I was like, I cannot keep paying for this. So I got off of it completely and immediately started gaining the weight back. And so I was like, okay, this is way too expensive. But then I said, well, I'm going to do it naturally. Then I did the Master Cleanse, which is the lemonade, the cayenne pepper, and the maple syrup. And that works good. And I actually like the Master Cleanse because it really does help you to detox your body. And it really is a appetite suppressant, and you have enough nourishments coming through while you're drinking it that I wasn't tired. I had a lot of energy. By the second day of the Master Cleanse, you really get your energy back. Right between your second or third day. But I do like it because you release so much water. All of your water weight is gone within 5 days. So it's kind of like then from there, your body started, burning up the reserve fat. But you can't live on that, and I couldn't keep doing that. So it just became a real struggle, especially when we started building the third location. Well, I should say the second location in South Outlet. That was a huge undertaking. It has been a while since in total, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we've built out about 5 stores since I've been doing this. La Host Beauty, formerly known as La Host Hair and Wigs, but La Host Beauty now. But this is the largest one. This is the largest one. So, the one that we built here in Las Vegas. And it's quite challenging because it is doing good. And you have to, it's the employees. It's not the employees that give me trouble. You constantly have to build your team. You have to build the right people around you. You have to make sure you have the right strategic team around you. That is how your business grows. Your business grows when you have the right people around you, when the same people can see what you see, believe in what you believe, have the mindset. They're not lazy, or they're not selfish, or they're not self-centered, or they're not about them, but they're there to serve the people, serve the customers, and understand the product, and It's a lot of dynamics. And so with that, that's where a lot of the work for me comes in, is training my team, making sure that they understand who we are as a company, what role they play in the company, and who our customer is and how we serve them. Nevertheless, I don't want to talk about business right now, y'all. It's my day off. But I just wanted to do a check-in to say I'm so excited that I got on the scale today and I'm another pound down. So when I started, I was 197. I got on the scale today. I was 189. That's exciting. It is exciting. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a little bit more in-depth of the ingredients, what's in Unicity, and your mate.